I'm Bryce Duska with this update to the grain and livestock markets. Tough day in particular for the soybean complex. Here at the last check, we've got beans down 26 cents. Meanwhile, corn is unchanged. Joining us to break down what's going on is Mike Zuzolo. He's the president of Global Commodity Analytics. Mike, what happened on the soybean market overnight?
I think the trade woke up to the idea, Bryce, that we've got questions on the EPA biofuel policy. You notice today's big trade is the bean oil market down almost 6% on the day. That follows an overnight session that was down about the same. Really been driven higher in the soy complex, not so much by the U.S.-China trade thaw. That has been a neutral, welcome feature, but really has been driven up higher by that soybean oil trade. We're unwinding that because of more questions on policy as we get ready to the end of the week. I guess there is some information that's been sent by the EPA to the White House. We'll see and get more details as we get through this next couple days.
All right, let's switch from grain to livestock. Another sell-off day for not only cattle, but also looks like lean hogs are trading lower here at the last check. The question out there right now, it gets headlines. People ask, is the party over in cattle? Is it a little too early to ask that after just a couple of down days?
I think so. I mean, I think the technicals are extremely important to the funds, especially at record high prices. Export sales were strong today. Beef numbers were up about 21%, pork 16% versus the 4-week average. So we're still seeing a lot go out the door, more than probably what we have enough supply for, Bryce. But I do think that this is one of those markets where you never know where the high is going to be because you don't know what the funds have plugged in. Walmart is raising their prices. I think that sent a shockwave, maybe fed the bear a little bit and gave us the second day of down. We'll see where we close the day out at.
Hey, real quick, we've got the wheat tour wrapping up, largely focused on the state of Kansas. Anything in particular jump out at you over the last couple of days as they were out in the field surveying?
Yeah, I think they hit a really good point about it's not made yet. It's looking good. It's looking a little bit better than last year, but we're a long way from being made, especially if we turn hot and dry. And some of the weather models are showing that. And I think the trade's picking up on that and the world wheat weather as well.
Mike Zuzolo, president of Global Commodity Analytics, joining us for our midday markets. You can catch him, his full in-depth review of what's happening in the grain and livestock markets this afternoon as part of the channel Final Bell. Find that at ruralradionetwork.com. I'm Bryce Duskett for the Rural Radio Network.